We're here to honor a terrific young man. In addition to being on a hockey team, James worked with the Connecticut Storm, which is a special needs hockey program, and he felt the need to raise money to support an important program. And you raised over $13,000 by your leadership and initiative to create opportunities for those in need. It indicates a sense of leadership and a community commitment in which Fairfield Prep espouses and articulates so effectively among all your student athletes.
James, congratulations. And also to all of the Fairfield Prep staff and leadership, because this is a whole community ethos clearly that James has writ. You've inspired a lot of people with what you've done, and they're going to take action too. And it's just phenomenal, as the senator said, example of the positive things coming out of this institution, coming out of our community.
Thank you for the work you've done, building a community with this team. I am feeling very good about our country's future when we have young people like you.
Here in Fairfield and at Fairfield Prep, we have such privilege. We have so many amazing supports. You have taken that support and turned it into something for others. And that is literally the value that you have been taught here by your parents and your family, and here by the leaders at Fairfield Prep. And it's an amazing example for all of us.
If you know James, you know that he's a leader on and off the ice. Time that he spends with people, he makes sure that everybody knows that they're seen. And he's a great representative of our hockey team and at our school. Really, James, living the mission of Prep, being a man for others, is the greatest gift you can give back to Prep, right? So in doing that and being that sort of model for your brothers is all we could ask of you and what we're so proud of. So thank you for all that you do.
For us as a state delegation, we're so honored here to present you with this recognition from the state of Connecticut. I think the most important thing is for us to recognize fine young people in our community that makes a positive contribution. So thank you.
Thank you so much.
What would you like to say?
This is an honor to receive this. Prep talks about men and women for others, and I feel like I kind of embodied this in creating this tournament, and thank you for recognizing me.